Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this series of tutorials, we will cover design patterns. Imagine trying to build a house with no blueprint, putting things together randomly. One room connects awkwardly to another, the stairs don't line up, and maybe the bathroom has no door. It might get finished somehow, but when you look back, it's messy, hard to fix, and even harder for someone else to work with or improve. The same thing happens with code when it's written without proper structure or planning. That's why it's important to learn and understand how to use design patterns. They help us build cleaner, more maintainable software from the start. What are design patterns? So, design patterns are standard reusable solutions to common problems in software design. In early days of programming, developers used arrays for storing data, but arrays had limitations. There was no built in way to resize them, sort them easily, or perform complex operations. So, developers had to write those utilities from scratch. Over time, common problems like these led to creation of reusable data structures like lists, set, maps. These were grouped together into what we call now the collections framework. Design patterns came about in a similar way, but instead of solving data problems, they solve design problems in object-oriented programming. They help with things like creating objects, managing communication between classes, and organizing code better. So, what are the benefits of using design patterns? Design patterns help you write modular, clean, and maintainable code. They promote code reuse and make your code more flexible to changes. By using them, you follow practices that are widely accepted in the software industry. Your code becomes easier to test, debug, and refactor. Knowledge of design patterns is often expected in job interviews, especially for experienced developer roles. So, there are basically three main categories of design patterns: creational patterns that consist of singleton, factory method, abstract factory, builder, and prototype. Creational design pattern deal with object creation mechanisms, trying to create objects in a manner suitable to the situation. Structural design patterns deal with object composition and how classes and objects are composed to form larger structures. Example of structural patterns are adapter, bridge, composite, decorator, facade, flyweight, proxy. Then the third type is behavioral patterns. So these focus on communication between objects. So example of these are strategy, observer, command, iterator, mediator, memento, state, template method, visitor, and chain of responsibility. Before diving into patterns, we need to understand SOLID principles. So SOLID is an acronym for single responsibility, O for open closed principle, L for Liskov substitution principle, I for interface segregation, D for dependency inversion. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.